off. We're going to begin tonight with the latest on an officer-involved shooting early this morning that left one man dead and 4 police officers being placed on administrative leave. This happened at a local bar called Rich's Billiards on Weber Road, south of Holly. Our Ashley Gonzalez reports on what led to that shooting, and she talks with someone who says he saw the whole thing. It is our top story at 6.
One man is dead, 3 people are injured, and 4 Corpus police officers are on administrative leave. Right here is where it started. And right here is where it ended.
Couldn't even get to understanding like what had really happened until you see like 25 cop cars, ambulances, fire trucks, EMTs, and then it all kind of hits you and it kind of comes real.
Monday morning marks a violent timeline. It started at 2:19 a.m. when officers responded to a shooting with injuries at Rich's Billiards off of Weber. When officers arrived, they found 3 victims with gunshot wounds. Witnesses told CCPD the 33-year-old gunman, Robert Lee Canchol, ran off on foot to apartments on Shannon. That's right off Weber and south of Holly. Officers were able to find the subject, who tried to take off on foot again. That's when Canchola produced a handgun. Then CCPD opened fire, striking him. Then officers administered life-saving measures until medics arrived. And right now, 4 CCPD officers have been placed on administrative leave.
We'll be reviewing body cams. Same thing we do every time. And probably within the 24 to 48 hours, we will release the officers' names as we always have done.
And the condition of the 3 victims is unknown at this time. CCPD says the shooting is still under investigation. Ashley Gonzalez, 3 News.